Hey everyone, welcome back to Imagination Tech, and today we are here at my apartment, rather my old apartment. It's time to say goodbye to this chapter of my life and move on to a new one. So we've already cleaned up most of the place, so there's still a little bit of stuff left here. I haven't moved my 3D printer or that table yet, but yeah, most of the junk here is clean. Our kitchen stuff, everything, living room, tables, clothes, they're all there at my new apartment. So yeah, I guess this is time to say goodbye almost to this apartment. Just need to load up a few more things, and then we are going to be going to my new apartment where, you know, we're gonna have a little bit more space, a little bit more security, and, you know, a pool. Right? So it's time to say goodbye to this apartment and say hello to the next chapter. So we're here at our new apartment, and I've just woken up, but yeah, this is the main bedroom. We just have a futon there right now, and all of our stuff we just put in here right now into the second bedroom. But we plan to use it as a guest bedroom, so we can have, you know, probably our relatives or our friends, they can stay over in that room, and that's also going to serve as my probably a home office here. So I think my alarm's going off. So here's basically going to be the kitchen, and there's the ref, there's the door, and the TV or the sofa or the computer is probably going to go up there, but right now we haven't even finished unpacking, so all of our stuff are right there right now. And the bathroom's there. There's a really good water pressure, so they're just you can really take a really nice shower. It doesn't have hot water though, but you know, it's tropical country. What do you expect? And our dining room's going to be, you know, somewhere here. We have another table where we have figured out where to set that up, but in probably one of the bedrooms we can set that up as a desk. So yeah, this is the new bedroom. And anyway, aside from this isn't a really big place, but it's bigger than the last one, which was just a studio unit. So this one has 2 bedrooms, so it's really perfect for, you know, just the 2 of us, or maybe 3 if we have someone over. But what I wanted to show you was all of the nice little nooks and crannies where we can play our tiny room. Maybe let me show you guys. So Sephiroth is dead, and for those of you who don't know who Sephiroth is, that's the name of my 65mm brushed loop. And yeah, by the time I got out of the elevator, and by the time I got to Sephiroth, you know, either a motorcycle or a car had already run over it, and I was just getting static from my, so it was dead. Just getting static in my Fat Shark goggles. So even the frame's dead. This is what the flight controller looks like. It's been bent out of shape. The plugs have been unseated, and the lens portion of this FPV AIO cam is also gone, broken, cracked, whatever. Even the battery didn't survive, the motors didn't survive, so practically it's only the TPU mount for that AIO, for this camera, that survived. So that's that. But yeah, so here I am, like about a week after I shot the first videos of this new apartment, and yeah, at least now we have a sofa. So let me just take you a quick look around. So we have a nice new couch. So at least now the place is a lot more livable, and we can have guests over, so, you know, just to chill out, watch some Netflix. We're at the computer where I already have it set up. I'll also editing this video on that already. Most of our stuff are still inside their boxes. We're still waiting to get some shelves. But yeah, again, if I know you in real life and want to hang out, you know, we can swim by the pool or just hang out at the clubhouse. You know, come on over. Send me a message and I'll send you the address. But yeah, so I really want to thank all of you guys who have been subscribed to my channel, still watching my videos. I know there hasn't been a video in the past couple of weeks, but you know, the move is almost over. We're almost settled down here, and we actually had a good swim, the first time for us to swim last night. So yeah, I really want to thank you guys for sticking with me, and today is a Friday. I'm hoping to upload this video by tonight or tomorrow. Even though Sephiroth is dead, I still have a lot more quads that are, you know, at least 3 of those are functioning. 2 of those still need a little bit of tweaking or repair, but yeah, I'm coming out with a video about Runcam Robin as well, because that's what I have on Sierra as well. And you know, that there's a mystery quad with that blue canopy, blue pod right there. I'm going to talk about that in a future video, so do stay tuned for that. Anyway, that has been it for today. This is just about us moving here into our new apartment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, keep building and keep flying. Oh, and make sure to like this video. It helps out a lot. And if you're not subscribed already, click on that subscribe button. And I appreciate that a lot. All right? Thank you guys. Keep building and keep flying.
I'm so